Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making pineapple braised ribs. Sweet, savory, tangy, and unbelievably appetizing. Just look at this dish. Glossy ribs, soft pineapple, and that aroma? It's irresistible. Alright, let's start cooking. Here I've got some fresh pork ribs, already chopped into small pieces by the butcher. And we will also slice our pineapple into thicker pieces. This gives you that juicy bite later. That's all we need, so let's start cooking. First, place the ribs into a wok of cold water. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Bring it to a boil and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Then take the ribs out and rinse them clean with warm water. Now heat a little oil in the wok and keep the heat low. Add some crushed rock sugar and slowly melt it. Make sure the flame stays only under the sugar so it doesn't burn. When it turns liquid, gets foamy on top, that's your cue. Add the ribs in, turn the heat to high, and stir fry until they are beautifully coated and caramelized. Then toss in a few slices of ginger and stir until fragrant. Pour in hot water, just enough to cover the ribs. Add 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Keep the lid open and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Then cover the wok and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Now the ribs should be ready. Let's check on them. Pour the pineapple straight into the ribs. Season with 2 teaspoons of salt. If your pineapple is too sour, add 3 to 4 grams of rock sugar here. Let this simmer for another 8 to 10 minutes until the sauce thickens and becomes glossy. Before serving, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or white vinegar to balance the sweetness. Finish with chopped scallions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. And that's it. Gorgeous. These ribs are tender and full of flavor, so soft and fragrant. It's absolutely perfect. Let me try it for you. Wow, the ribs are sweet, tangy, and packed with pineapple aroma. I'm telling you, this dish disappears fast. You have to try this one at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.